Can you hear me?
Yep.
I'm here to just talk about Biosafe 1. My problem started back in April of this year. I had a complete drain field failure, and I had to have the tank pumped, and the company come out and pumped it, and we had to pressure wash the we had to send a camera down the drain field, and found out that only half my drain field was working. And this system was put in the 80s, so it's well over 40 years old. I've been here 25 years and I never did nothing for this drain field. I was completely out of mind until the drain field failed, and I was looking at a $60,000 repair replacement. And needless to say, I was very stressed out over this whole situation. But I called the local people, come out, we opened up the system, and they ran cameras down there and found out that I had major root blockage, and which had probably been going on for years. And so the drain field was completely plugged with sludge and up to the root, where the roots just blocked the drain field. So I only had half my drain field working, and that was probably going on for 20 years. And the ground was not absorbing any liquid fluid at all. And so I got online and I started looking, and I kept coming across Biosafe 1. And I was very hesitant, I was stressed out, and it was on the weekend, and I was like, okay, I got to give this stuff a try, because I just, no way could I afford to replace this system. And so I got online, I ordered a bunch of the Biosafe 1 stuff, and I've been using it since April, and the drain field amazingly had started what they would say perking. We've had no backups, everything is working fine. And so I decided that, well, when we had the camera down there and found out that there was only half the drain field was working, I went ahead and started, we marked where the root plugs were, where the field was plugged up. And so I was like, there's no clean outs in this system. And so I thought, man, I got to do some work here and get to the areas that was plugged up. And if you looked over here, we're just now finishing it up. We put in clean outs, we dug it up, here's what was plugging. This was plugging the pipe. You know, this and these roots here was all inside the drain field. And if you look at this section of pipe, totally plugged. So I had to I bought this machine, I bought a part for the pressure washer, and we opened up the system, put in clean outs on both legs, and flushed it all out, and everything is like working good. I'm ready to put it back together. And I can tell you that I will always go back and buy Biosafe 1 product to keep this system operating and functioning. So anyway, here you have it from someone that has personally used their product, and I will swear by that product because it saved me a ton of money. Thank you. Did you get it?
Yep. 10 seconds.
Now I got to do 45